Ho, 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 Merry Christmas. This is Santa with a special message. I've been checking my list, and right before I was leaving to hop on the sleigh to go deliver all the presents tonight, I noticed that two of the three main GOP candidates are on the naughty list. First, Newt. You're on the naughty list for many reasons. The first one that I think is the worst out of all of them is you can't seem to keep a wife. You seem to be very naughty with many, many other women out there. That doesn't seem like something that should be allowed to be on the good list, so I'm sorry, you're out. Secondly, Mr. Romney, I have a bone to pick with you. Santa is an avid hunter, and I understand that you are for gun control and the Second Amendment being gone. I'm not very sure about that. Now, how about you, Mr. Paul? I hear that you're for that thing, what's it called again? Oh yeah, the Constitution. That old outdated document thing, I don't know. No, that's what puts you on the good list, you know? You let the people decide, and you don't really take crap from other people, but yet you still let them be stupid and talk. Kind of like the First Amendment in the, what document is that? Oh yeah, the Constitution. So, there you have it, folks. Mitt and Newt on the bad naughty list, Ron Paul on the good list. So I'm telling you, if you want to be on Santa's good list, you better vote for Ron Paul if you want to have a chance. Otherwise, I think the rest of the world is going on the naughty list.